Tracking your work hours doesn't have to mean dealing with complicated spreadsheets. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to track your work hours without any spreadsheets, and I promise it's easier than you think. Stick around, and I'll even give you access to an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today, available only to viewers of this channel. So if you've tried all the popular time tracking tools and still find yourself feeling overwhelmed, this solution could be exactly what you're looking for. First off, let me say that you don't need a spreadsheet to track your time. In fact, the tool we'll be using today can do all the heavy lifting for you, without the stress of formulas and formatting. To start, let's talk about the core features you'll need: ease of use, accessibility, and flexibility. The software we'll be using today is an app that helps you track your hours with just a few clicks, and it's available on your phone, desktop, and tablet. This means you can track your time from anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Once you have the software installed, simply open it up and you'll be greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. Here, you can easily create projects, tasks, or jobs that you're working on. You can assign work hours to each task, and when you're done, the software will log your time automatically. No need to worry about manually entering the hours later like you would in a spreadsheet. Another great feature is the ability to set reminders. If you often forget to start or stop your timer, the app can send you a gentle nudge to ensure your time tracking stays on track throughout the day. This makes it easy to keep an accurate record of your hours without any extra effort. The best part, you can generate reports. So, at the end of the week or month, you'll have a clear, organized summary of how much time you spent on different tasks. This is perfect if you need to submit your hours to a client or manager, or if you simply want to track your productivity. No more sifting through a complicated spreadsheet, trying to make sense of everything. And remember, this is just a quick overview. The full software has even more features to help streamline your workflow and improve your time management. I highly recommend giving this software a try, and the good news is there's a special, exclusive free trial available just for you, my viewers. All the details are in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Key takeaway: tracking your work hours doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, you can easily log your time, stay organized, and get reports, all without ever touching a spreadsheet. To quickly recap, we've covered how to install and use the software, setting up tasks and projects, enabling reminders for accurate tracking, and generating time reports. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description to start using this software today. Thanks for watching.